right, we're looking at an exhaust system here in downtown LA. This is a mixed use building. Got the plenum here. It's running out to a PCU that's in the parking structure. Take a look at this. A lot of oil in here. A lot of oil running down. Now, I want you to look at something here. See these filters? They look clean, right? More or less. But I want you to listen to the sound when I put this one back. It's clogged. Here, you take that. Film that. Hear that sucking sound? So these filters inside here are clogged. It's making the fan and the PCU work harder than it should. So this will need a full initial cleanup. The PCU that's in the attic, that's out there, it's going to need filter replacement by Brian Exhaust Service.
We'll take care of it.